हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम टॉपिक स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं जिसका नाम है आइसोमेरिज्म। ओके, आइसोमेरिज्म दिस इज बेसिकली फॉर क्लास 11th. We all know isomerism is divided into structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. In class 11th we have to study only this one. When we will go in class 12 we will study about stereoisomerism. This is basically part for class 12th, okay, where we will study about geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. So today we are going to discuss about structural isomerism and its kind of the part 1 chain, position, functional and metamerism. The short trick to learn all these four names is CHAPO fun meta, that is Chapo fun meta, Chapo fun meta. Okay, you can make a trick for this one. So before going to start the main topic isomerism, you need to learn some basic about carbon compounds. Carbon compounds, you need to know what are N-alkane isocompounds, N-compounds, isocompounds and neocompounds. So I will tell you one by one. We take an example of pentane. For all these three we will study about pentane and its structure, and we will discuss how pentane form N, how pentane form iso, and how pentane form neocompounds. What is the simple structure of pentane? We all know it is an alkane basically, and all alkane have formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, so what is the structure for what is the molecular formula? Molecular formula C5. On putting value here 5, we get the result C5H12, and we will draw the structure for C5H12. Here you can see CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. This is known as N-pentane. Okay, here we can see, we can count the carbon atoms as well as hydrogen atoms. We will check is it correct. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will write here the molecular formula C5 3 to 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9 plus 3 12, C5H12. Again, what is N here? This is normal. See, we can make N-butane or any N-alkane. Okay, next comes iso compounds. What are iso compounds? We will take another example of pentane again. Pentane. Molecular formula C5H12. What are basically iso compounds? Iso compounds have methyl group that is CH3 on their second number carbon atom. Okay, what group? Methyl. You need to remember this, only one methyl group. Okay, on what carbon atom? That is second carbon atom only, then it is known as iso compounds. For example, I will consider again pentane. Here you can see the structure of pentane. Molecular formula was C5H12. How it form? An iso compound. Okay, that is CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Now remember, we can add CH3 compound on this one or this one. It doesn't matter on what carbon atom it goes, but it should be second from either side. Okay, so if we are considering from this side, okay, we are considering from this side. Here carbon numbering is 1, 2, 3 and 4. We need to add one methyl group on the second number carbon atom. Then 1H needs to be removed from here. And now count the molecular formula for this one. C1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And count the number of hydrogen. 3, 6, 9, 12, 1, 12. H12. Okay, again we can see that is normal pentane has C5H12 molecular formula as well as iso also. Isopentane, this is known as isopentane. Okay, but remember, IUPAC name will change. IUPAC name of this compound is what? 1, 2, 3. Second number contains methyl group, that is 2-methyl. First letter is capital, 2-methyl, and 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. IUPAC name of isopentane is what? 2-methyl butane. You need to remember this. Next, we are going to study about neo compounds. Neo compounds. Okay, when second number carbon contains 2-methyl group, that is CH3. Okay, सेकेंड नंबर कार्बन एटम पे 2-methyl ग्रुप जब लगते हैं तो उसको नियो कंपाउंड्स बोलते हैं. अगेन वी विल कंसीडर एग्जांपल फॉर पेंटेन. Okay, we know molecular formula for pentane is C5H12, but when we draw the structure for C5H12 it will be like CH3 C CH3, and we need to add 2-methyl group on the second number carbon atom, that is 1 2 3. Okay, 1-methyl group, and this is second methyl group. Now what is this compound known by? Neopentane. Again count the number of carbon and hydrogen in this compound. It would be C5H12. What is important here, as you can see, either it is N-pentane or it is isopentane or it is neopentane. All have same molecular formula, that is C5H12, C5H12, C5H12. Also they have different IUPAC name, but it doesn't matter, we are studying about isomerism. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound is? IUPAC name 1,2, second number carbon atom पे 2 methyl, that is 2,2 dimethyl 1,2,3 propane, 2,2 dimethyl propane. Okay, you can see IUPAC name is different, but neo name is something different. But as you can see the magic, all these have different structure. It is neopentane is different, isopentane is also different. But what was the difference? Isopentane has one methyl group on the second number carbon atom, whereas neopentane has 2 methyl group on second number carbon atom. So you can see these are known as isomers. So what is the definition of isomers? Carbon compounds containing same molecular formula but different structures as well as chemical properties are known as isomers. And this property of isomers is known as isomerism. Okay. Next is we will study about types of isomerism in our next lecture, that is second class. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.